Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the SanDisk MicroSDHC UHS 1 memory card. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where we can clearly see the capacity that this memory card is rated for, which is 16 gigabytes, and the transfer speeds happen to be up to 98 megabytes per second. Aside from that, you can see that this thing is meant primarily for smartphones by the massive image of a smartphone on the back. And you also have the industry standard rating on the top. So this is a class 10 device as indicated by this little symbol over here, as well as the symbol on top of the memory card. Then you also get a free application with this particular memory card. It's called the SanDisk Memory Zone app. And you can find details regarding the same on the inside of the packaging. Now let's flip this over and we'll see some additional information. You can see some legalese as well as footnotes stating what is the file size and how 1 gigabyte is considered to be X number of bytes and all those things. Aside from that, you have the manufacturer's contact information in the center in the form of this little sticker. And you also have the warranty period being mentioned. Again, you should always check the Amazon page listing to get exact details of what all is covered and for how long. And this memory card is also rated to be waterproof, temperature proof, shock proof, and X-ray proof. All these go into increasing the longevity of this card. So that's about it for the information on the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. You've got a little dotted line at the top, which we can cut open using scissors. Once you've opened up the packaging, you can pull the memory card out. It comes in its own little plastic pack. This thing can be peeled open from one of the corners. If you have long nails, that's going to be helpful at this point. There you go. You've got the SanDisk Ultra branding on the front side. You've got the capacity mentioned as well. And then there's also the speed standard, that is MicroSDHC. C stands for high capacity. On the back side, you can see the different contact pads and the position of the same. Everything is standard because of the form factor. And that's about it for this unboxing of the SanDisk Ultra MicroSDHC UHS 1 memory card. Thank you for watching.